Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PS5 that won't turn on. First, confirm your console's power cable is fully inserted into the back of your PS5 and then directly into a functional wall outlet. Avoid using power strips or extension cords initially, as they can sometimes interfere with power delivery. Test the wall outlet with another device, like a phone charger, to ensure it provides power correctly. These initial checks are quick and often resolve common power issues. A simple power cycle can often clear minor software glitches preventing startup. Disconnect the power cord from the wall outlet and your PS5 for at least 1 minute. This allows any residual power to dissipate, effectively resetting the system. After 1 full minute, plug everything back in securely and try turning your console on again. If you see a pulsing orange light, your console might be stuck in rest mode. Hold the power button for 15 seconds to force a shutdown. Sometimes, connected external devices or a disk stuck in the drive can interfere with the PS5 startup sequence. Carefully unplug all USB accessories, like external storage, charging cables, or controllers from your console. Also, check that no game disk is partially inserted or stuck in the disk drive. Once all peripherals and disks are removed, try powering on your PS5 again with only the power cord and HDMI cable connected. This eliminates potential conflicts from other connected hardware. If previous steps haven't worked, rebuilding the database in safe mode can often resolve deeper software issues. With your PS5 completely off, press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep, which takes about 7 seconds. Connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable and select option 5, Rebuild Database. This process reorganizes your hard drive, clearing up corrupted data without deleting your games or save files. Your console will then restart normally afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.